Here we have the JETech screen protector set for the iPhone 17 Pro. And I like it that it comes with both a screen protector and a camera lens protector. Let's start with the camera lens. We clean the lenses with a wet wipe and then with a dry wipe. We align it and we press it down firmly. You can squeeze out some bubbles and that's it. Okay, now the screen protector. It comes with the installation frame, so it's very hard to mess up. First we clean up the screen with a wet wipe and then with a dry cloth. We line up the frame, peel off the film and then press it onto the screen. It almost applies itself really smoothly. Then we can squeeze out some bubbles. The glass feels solid, it's clear and touch response is still perfect. For the price, this is just a really easy and reliable way to protect your phone.